Are you ready for what could be Samsung's next big move in the smartphone market? Rumors are swirling about three upcoming A-series devices, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26, and it looks like they're closer to launch than we might think. But what makes these devices worth paying attention to? Let's dive into the details that have everyone talking. Recent leaks and certifications have shed some light on these models, giving us a glimpse of their potential design, specifications, and even their launch timeline. Samsung seems to be positioning these phones to continue the legacy of their popular predecessors with upgrades that could make them stand out even more. The most exciting piece of news? The charging speeds of these devices, which have just been confirmed through a recent certification. Here's what we know so far. The Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 were recently spotted on the TÜV Rheinland certification list. This certification is often a strong indicator that a product is gearing up for an official release. According to the listing, the Galaxy A56 and A36 support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, allowing for a maximum power output of 45 watts. For the Galaxy A26, the numbers are slightly lower, with 9 volts and 2.77 amperes, supporting up to 25 watts of charging speed. These figures suggest that Samsung is focusing on faster, more efficient charging, which has become a crucial feature for smartphone users today. But what's even more interesting is how the timing aligns with Samsung's usual product launch patterns. If we take a look at history, Galaxy A55 and A35 were officially released on March 11, 2025. With just over a month left for these devices to reach their one-year mark, it's highly likely that their successors, the Galaxy A56 and A36, will be announced soon. Samsung typically rolls out new versions of its A-series smartphones around this time of year, making the launch of these new devices seem imminent. Now let's take a moment to consider what this could mean for the market. The A-series has always been a sweet spot for those who want premium features at a mid-range price. With solid performance, sleek designs, and competitive pricing, these devices are often a go-to for users who want value without compromising on quality. If Samsung builds on the success of the A55 and A35, the A56, A36, and A26 could be game changers in their category. The confirmed charging speeds alone make them intriguing options. Faster charging isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a necessity. In today's fast-paced world, being able to top up your battery quickly can make all the difference. Whether it's getting through a busy workday or staying connected during a long trip, features like 45-watt charging on the Galaxy A56 and A36 give users a significant edge. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A26 25-watt charging ensures that even the most budget-friendly option in this lineup doesn't lag too far behind. While the leaks haven't provided a complete picture yet, they do give us a good idea of what to expect. Samsung has always struck a balance between performance, design, and affordability in its A-series, and there's no reason to believe this lineup will be any different. From better battery performance to likely camera upgrades, these smartphones could cater to a wide range of users. So, when can we expect to see them? If the certification timeline is anything to go by, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung announces these devices within the next month or two. The timing feels right, and with competitors constantly pushing the envelope, Samsung will want to keep its edge in the market. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel for all the latest news and updates on the tech world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a game changer in the world of smartphones, standing tall among its competitors with a range of advanced features and a sleek design. This flagship device builds upon the impressive foundation set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and brings some noteworthy upgrades that elevate the user experience to a whole new level. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device so exceptional. The camera system is one of the most exciting features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has packed the phone with a versatile quad-camera setup that includes a stunning 200-megapixel primary camera equipped with optical image stabilization for incredibly sharp and detailed images. Along with this, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a second 50-megapixel super telephoto lens for even greater flexibility in your photography. The ultra-wide lens with an aperture of f1.9 also supports phase detection autofocus, making it perfect for macro shots with amazing detail. Combined with the advanced image signal processor and the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, this setup ensures vibrant colors, minimal noise, and stunning dynamic range in every shot. For those into content creation, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers some serious capabilities. You can shoot 50-megapixel raw images and record 8K videos at 30 frames per second using multiple lenses, including the primary, ultra-wide, and super telephoto cameras. The new Galaxy Log format is designed to offer a flat color profile for your videos, which gives creators more control over color grading in post-production. The single-take mode and multi-frame capture are also available, which adds extra creativity and ease to both photography and videography. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, a significant upgrade over the previous model, with a 37% faster central processing unit, a 30% more powerful graphics processing unit, and a 40% quicker neural processing unit. The device is built to handle everything from gaming and multitasking to complex AI-driven tasks without breaking a sweat. This chip is built on a 3nm fabrication process, which not only boosts performance but also improves energy efficiency, extending battery life even under heavy usage. Eye features are also a big selling point for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tasks that would usually require an internet connection can now be processed directly on the device, making them faster and more reliable. Samsung has upgraded its AI-driven tools, including Browsing Assist, Writing Assist, and Audio Eraser, to provide features like article summarization, grammar improvements, and enhanced audio editing in videos. These improvements make everyday tasks more efficient and convenient. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beauty to behold. It's thinner, narrower, and lighter than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to hold for longer periods of time. The use of Grade 3 titanium and Gorilla Glass armor, too, ensures the device is not only durable, but also resistant to accidental drops. Plus, the screen's reduced glare and reflections make it more enjoyable to use in different lighting conditions. Sound quality has also seen a noticeable upgrade, with louder stereo speakers that deliver enhanced audio for calls, music, and videos. What if your smartphone could completely redefine how you capture the world? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, that's exactly what you get. It's not just a smartphone, it's a tool that empowers creators to capture the highest quality video imaginable, and it does so with ease and precision. This device is here to push the boundaries of mobile technology and offers an exceptional experience, especially when it comes to video recording. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse when it comes to cameras. What truly sets it apart is its ability to record in stunning 8K resolution. And this isn't just available on one camera. Samsung has made sure that 3 of its main lenses support this groundbreaking feature. You get the primary 200 megapixels camera, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera, all capable of capturing video in 8K at 30 frames per second. This is a huge leap forward in mobile video recording, giving you flexibility and the ability to shoot videos with unmatched detail, regardless of the scene. Whether you're shooting vast landscapes or close-up shots, the level of detail you can achieve is absolutely remarkable. Samsung has spent years refining its 8K video capabilities, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a testament to that. In the past, the limitation for 8K video was that the camera sensor had to be at least 33 megapixels to handle the resolution. With the S25 Ultra, however, this hurdle is easily surpassed thanks to its ultra-wide camera, which now boasts a 50 megapixel sensor. This improvement makes it possible to shoot incredibly detailed footage of wide open spaces or large groups of people in one shot, offering a wide field of view without compromising on quality. But let's be honest, no device is perfect, and there is one small limitation to consider. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers 3 different cameras capable of shooting 8K video, once you begin recording, you cannot switch between the primary, ultra-wide, or telephoto lenses. You have to stick with the camera you started with for the duration of the video. It's not a huge issue, but it's something that Samsung could potentially address in future models. Having the ability to seamlessly switch between cameras while recording would be a game changer for creators, and there's hope that the next iteration will offer this feature. Speaking of future possibilities, the rumor mill is already buzzing about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and people are speculating what improvements Samsung could introduce. One of the biggest discussions revolves around the camera setup. Many were expecting this year's model to upgrade the 3x zoom camera to a 50 megapixel sensor, but that didn't happen. Instead, the 3x zoom camera still uses a 10 megapixel sensor, which isn't powerful enough to record in 8K resolution. If Samsung makes this upgrade next year, we could see all rear cameras capable of capturing 8K video, giving creators more freedom and flexibility when filming. Imagine being able to switch between lenses while maintaining the same high-quality 8K resolution. Now that would be incredible for video production. For now, though, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands tall as one of the most advanced smartphones for video recording. It's setting a new standard for what mobile phones can do, and it's clear that Samsung is committed to making even more improvements in the future.